a gift from Mom, and it's a ukulele. So we have this ukulele because we will have our birthday on October 24, and then we were going to unbox the ukulele. Yeah. So this is. So yeah, Mom. So you can see it's a box. With a bubble wrap. And there's a tape here. So now let's open it. Oh wait, there's another tape here. And it's another. No. How's it? Okay, she was going to push the rubber up and I'll push the box. There. Now it's ready. So this is the bubble wrap. Let's take it now. So as you can see, it's already a box. Now let's Benji. Oh yeah, and it's our expectation here is good and first we're gonna have our expectation. So for me, my expectation is a good sound and a cute design. So yeah, how about your expectation? I think for me it's a good quality and yeah, that's all. So 3, 2, 1.
That is from Clifton.
Yeah, this is for Clifton. So as you can see, it is Clifton. Clifton, yes. Clifton. And this is a base. Yeah, this is I'm excited. Oh wait, here is a strap. Okay, here it's a strap over here and there. And we have a little capo. Here it is. There. We have 6 picks. It's just a little folder. It's a unit. In many picks. Many picks. Here you can see some picks. Here. There we have here some picks. There, now, here, so now as you can see, it has a mini handle. We have one handle here. We have two handles from the back. And a pocket here. We have a pocket here. Okay, let's go and zip out. There's nothing in here. Now let's open the base. Here is the base. Whew. Wait, this is so. Okay, 2, 1. Wow, Rabbitine. It's a rabbitine. So this is wonderful. Oh, I think this thing cover. It's so light. Yeah, it's so light. And here we have a rubber band here. Okay, the damages are okay. I'm damaging it into. Wait carefully. Let's take it to the bag. This is very beautiful. Oh, that's a cute design. Oh, as I said, my expectation has a cute owl design with. That's from Clifton. Thank you, Clifton. This is sponsored by Clifton. Let's see. I think this is not good yet. I'll try it. Here's the C. Here, look at this owl over here. It's not even a circus owl. Clifton. So, let's have that. There are 4 strings. Look at something. Oh, I forgot. Where's the capo? So good. So this capo, this capo can help you guys to have a good tune or a high-pitched tune to your ukulele. So yeah. And this picks can help you to strum the ukulele. Give me. More loud. Look at mine. Let's how about these? Oh! Okay, Jaya. Okay, so it's very good. Give me the capo. No, the strap. I mean the strap. The strappy. Oh, yeah, so this is the strap. Oh, I did that. I did it a while ago. I don't care. Here's the strap. I like the owls. Here's the owls, so you can see it so clearly here. Cute owl designs. So yeah. There. Have a quality of ukulele.